Dear learner, a very warm welcome. This one is the lecture 9. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the mechanism and orientation of substitution reaction in case of PNF3 and mechanism and orientation of addition reaction in case of PNF3. So first of all, we can start with the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction of PNF3s. So in the previous video we have already discussed the mechanism of electrophilic substitution in case of anthracids. In this case the PNF3, it will also undergo electrophilic substitution reaction and electrophilic addition reaction at position number 9 and position number 10. So here we can discuss the relative stability of the carbocation formed when attack of electrophile will occur at carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4 and carbon number 9 or carbon number 10. So first of all we can discuss the attack of the electrophile at carbon number 1. So this one is the carbon number 1. In this case, this pi bond, it will shift it toward this side. Now this carbon acquired partial negative charge and this carbon acquired partial positive charge. So electrophile that will attack on this electron rich center. Here this structure number 1 will get formed and it can further stabilized by resonance. Now this pi bond, it will shift it toward this side. A fresh pi bond that will appear between these two carbon and positive charge that will appear on this carbon. So structure number 2 will get formed. So in this case, when electrophile will attack at carbon number 1, there is a possibilities of formation of these two resonative structure in which the naphthalene ring that is remain intact. So we know that the resonance energy of naphthalene that is 255 and same time the resonance energy of PNF3 is 387. So there is a loss of 132 kilojoule per mole of resonance energy when structure number 1 and structure number 2 will get formed after the attack of electrophile on carbon number 1. Then similarly, when attack will occur at carbon number 2. In this case, this pi bond, it will shift it toward this side. Now this carbon acquired partial negative charge and this carbon acquired partial positive charge. So electrophile that will get attack on this carbon, carbon number 2. So this structure number 3 will get formed. And in this carbocation, again one naphthalene ring that is remain intact. So in this case, again the 132 kilojoule energy that is lost. Then attack at carbon number 3. In this case, this pi bond, it will shift it toward this side. This carbon acquired partial negative charge, this carbon acquired partial positive charge. So electrophile that will get attack on this carbon number 3 and structure number 4 will get formed. So this one is the carbocation when attack will occur at carbon number 3. And in this case again the one naphthalene that is remain intact. So again here 132 kilojoule per mole of the resonance energy that is lost. Similarly, when attack will occur at carbon number 4, in this case this pi bond, it will shift it toward this side this carbon acquired partial positive charge, this carbon acquired partial negative charge. So electrophile that will attack on this carbon number 4. And here we can get this carbocation of structure number 5. Now this carbocation, it will undergo resonance stabilization. In this case, this pi bond, it will shift toward this side. A fresh pi bond that will appear between these two carbon, and positive charge that will come from this carbon. Now these two structures get formed, and again when attack will occur at carbon number 4, these two resonating structure will get formed, in which one naphthalene ring that is remain intact. So again here 132 kilojoule per mole of energy that is again lost. So this situation is almost similar when electrophile attack at carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3 and carbon number 4. Then let us see when the electrophile attack at carbon number 9. In this case, this pi bond, it will shift it toward this side, this carbon acquired partial negative charge and this carbon acquired partial positive charge. So electrophile that will attack on this electron rich center. So in this case, this carbocation will get formed having positive charge on this carbon. Now we can simply compare the carbocation that is formed when attack will occur at carbon number 2, carbon number 1, carbon number 3 and carbon number 4 with this case in which attack will occur at carbon number 9. Then step number 2, it is the removal of the proton from the carbocation, and it is assisted by the nucleophile that is formed in the step number 1. Here this hydrogen, it is removed as a H plus, ZH will get formed, and same time the electron of this carbon and hydrogen bond, it will take part in the pi bond formation, and a fresh pi bond that will form between these two carbon. And here we can get this 9 substituted product. In case of 10 substituted product, the same mechanism and reaction will occur. Then the case of the addition reaction in case of penethrin, here the step number 1 that is similar, it is the attack of the electrophile. In this case, this pi bond shifted toward this side and electrophile that will attack on this carbon number 9, and here we can get this carbocation. In the second step, instead of removal of this proton, the nucleophile that is added to this carbon number 10 that will carry the positive charge. So this one is the addition step. So here we can get 9, 10 addition product. So this one is the mechanism and orientation reaction of the penethrin. So student, this one is the lecture 9 in case of polynuclear hydrocarbon.